In this video, we are going to talk about 5 best tools that can help you grow your e-commerce store. Most of the tools are free to start and then you can upgrade as per your requirement to save your time. Let's start the video. Tool number 1. Provely. Provely leverages a psychological trigger called the fear of missing out, or better known as Fomo. This is a software that can help you to put social proof widgets into your e-commerce store or website. As most of the data suggests, adding a social proof widget into your product page can help you increase sales and the overall conversion rate of your store. The best thing is, it takes less than 60 seconds to set up and integrate this tool, even if you are a complete beginner and know nothing about technology. Tool number 2. Omnisend. This is an email marketing tool, specially designed for e-commerce business to run effective email campaigns, automation, and newsletter. This tool comes up with every feature an e-commerce store needs in an email marketing tool. You'll get professional-looking email templates, pre-built automations and workflows, pop-ups and sign-up forms, sales and performance reports, along with 24/7 live chat and email support. You can also do SMS marketing, abandoned cart setup, and much more. This is my go-to email marketing tool for e-commerce. Tool number 3. Optomonk. This tool is basically a pop-up maker, through which you can create attractive pop-ups. Now you might be asking, what's good in this tool? Well, the best part is, you can set the trigger for the pop-up. Let's say your viewer is about to leave your website. At this moment you can set up an exit intent pop-up, which will show up whenever your viewer will intend to exit your website. Now, because of the pop-up, your viewers may stop and re-engage with your product, and maybe they are gonna end up buying your product. Which means you'll get an extra sale because you are smart and you've decided to add an exit pop-up into your website. Cool. Tool number 4. GTMetrix. GTMetrix is a great tool for any website owner. It analyzes your website loading speed and provides you detailed analysis about your website. Plus, it helps you to increase your page loading speed by suggesting you some do's and don'ts for your site. The cool thing is, it also gives you an opportunity to compare your site with your competitors, so that you will get the best results. This tool is completely free to use, which means you do not need to pay a single penny on expensive tools to analyze your website. Tool number 5. Hotjar. Hotjar is a powerful tool that reveals the online behavior and voice of your users. By combining both analysis and feedback tools, Hotjar gives you the big picture of how to improve your site's user experience and performance and conversion rates. Understanding your customers and providing them what they actually want is the best way to succeed in the e-commerce world. Hotjar can be a game changer for you. You should start using Hotjar today, because your competitors are already doing it. Now, if you are wondering how much these tools will cost you, then here is the calculation. First, all 5 tools we've mentioned above comes up with a free plan, which means you can start using them for free. Then once you'll start gaining results with these tools, you can think of upgrading your plan as per your requirement. This is a complete risk-free way to grow your e-commerce business in 2023 and beyond. We hope that you liked this video already. If you haven't given it a thumbs up yet, then what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends to help them. Thank you for watching this video.